In this video, I'm going to show you guys some simple tricks you can follow to make up to $5,000 a month. And all you need to do is to watch this video till the very end. Try it out and then come back to the comment section and tell us your results if it works out for you. Alright? All I ask is that you drop a like on this video, and in return, I will give you 2 bonus tips at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to get those bonus tips. Do not skip any of the steps in this video because all of them are crucial to making money at the end of this video. It is free and it works in any country of the world. It works in the United States, it works in Nigeria, it works in Ghana, it works in India, it works in the Philippines, it works in any country. So no matter the country you are from, you definitely want to watch this video all the way to the end because this is a short technique that works. Okay, it's a short technique that works. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this website called mangoes.com. And as you can see, your email and your password. So you just go ahead and sign up if you don't have an account already. So you just put in your email and your password. And once you are signed up, your dashboard should look something like this. So all you need to do is to click this button here written affiliates. And once it's open, you will see your affiliate ID. You're going to copy this link. And once you have this link copied, you save it somewhere. That's the step 1. So just go ahead, create your Mangoes account, go into your account, get your affiliate ID, copy it, and keep it somewhere safe. Now, this Mangoes website is an SEO tool that helps websites to rank on Google or Bing, as the case may be. But the bottom line is that this is an SEO tool. And there are a lot of websites that need SEO tools. There are a lot of businesses out there with websites, and those businesses have no idea about how to grow their business using Google. Okay, so those are the businesses that you are going to target. And then you are going to offer those businesses this tool and have them use this tool to grow their business. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So once we have our affiliate link and we have it somewhere that is very safe, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and search for businesses that need this tool. My personal recommendation is that you're going to avoid businesses in the tech industry, mainly because I feel those businesses are going to be very savvy when it comes to using SEO tools. So we want to focus on businesses that just want to go online and they have no idea about anything SEO. So I'm thinking about businesses in the cooking, the coffee, something along those lines. So you want to narrow your search down to a certain country. So what you want to do at this point is to search for a country or a state and then search for a certain kind of business. Let's say in this video I wanted to use Mexico. So I'll search Mexico coffee shop. So you can try out different cities, different towns, and different products or different industries just to see what works for you. I personally will avoid all the sites on the first page, and my reason is very simple. All these guys on the first page is very clear that they know what they're doing. So you want to avoid the guys on the first page. So you can pick from pages 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anyone that suits you. I'll just go with page 2 in this video. So you want to avoid all the ads. Alright, so let's go with this one, 10 best coffee shops in Cancun. So once the site is fully loaded, all you need to do is to go down to the bottom of the site and you see some contact address or something of that nature. You get the email of the site, and all you need to do is to shoot them a cold email. Now once you have shot them a cold email, you wait for their response. Now what you shoot them in the email should be something along the lines of, hey, I was surfing the net and I came across your website and realized that your site was not ranking. I have this really amazing tool that can help your site rank. Let me know if you're interested. You can have it that way, or you can say, I too was in a similar situation and I've used this tool to improve the rankings of my site. Or you can say, I can help you rank your site for a fee, but if you do not want to hire me, I have this amazing tool that you can use to rank your site. This last one converts better because you're giving the owner of the site two options. Either he hires you or he buys the tool from you. And you don't need to worry. Most often than not, people will just go ahead and ask for the tool instead of hiring you. So if I continue the video, let me just recap the steps so far. Step 1 is to copy your affiliate link. Step 2 is to find businesses that need to grow through SEO. And then you cold email those businesses and then wait for your returns to roll in. This is a win-win situation. It's a win for you because you get to make some money, and it's a win for the business because they get to push their websites up in rankings, which will in turn increase their sales, which means more money for the business. So it's a win-win. So this is the point in the video where I'm going to give you the bonus tips. And if you made it to this point in the video, just type "make money online" so I know that you were serious about taking action. You got to the bonus tip in this video. So the bonus tip is to go ahead to Fiverr, create an account. I'm going to drop a link to join Fiverr in the description box below. I'm also going to drop a link to get to the Mongoose website. So if you come over to Fiverr and then you search for keyword research, you see all these gigs and they'll tell you I will do premium SEO keyword research and competition analysis. Okay, starting at $20. So all you need to do is to go over to Fiverr, create a gig for keyword research. It's super easy to do. If you want me to do a video on keyword research, just comment in the comment section below and I'll go ahead and create that video. But let's look at this girl's gig right here. She said, I will do amazing keyword search for your SEO journey. Okay, starting at $35. So once you have created your Fiverr gig and your gig starts ranking and then you're making some sales, for every customer you get on Fiverr, at the end of your service, once the person is pleased with your service, you ask the person to leave you a 5-star rating. And then what you do is to recommend this Mongoose tool to your client. Now the person is going to trust you because you have done keyword research for them. And then you tell them why using this tool is so much better than coming to Fiverr over and over and over again to have people do keyword search for them. Now you see that this lady here has over 1,000 reviews. So let's say she told every single customer to use the Mongoose tool. If only around 300 of them, we're working with a really small number right now, if only 300 of them use the tool, then you can imagine how much money she will be making per month, and it's passive income. Well, you may be worried that if your clients start using Mongoose tool, they won't come back to your gig. And while that may be true, I'm going to give you 2 reasons why you shouldn't worry about that. One is that there is no guarantee that those clients will come back to your particular gig. And 2, your clients using Mongoose tool gives you 100% passive income, which is better. Would you like to be doing work for people for $35, or would you rather sit in your home and have more than $35 coming per month? I'm guessing that most of you will pick the second option. So this method works because the people that come to Fiverr requesting keyword research, there are people that are interested in growing their website and they have no idea how to do it. That's why they're coming to Fiverr. So these are your potential clients. These are the people that you need to target. That's the first bonus you get for watching this video all the way to the end. And the second bonus is going to be a little bit easier, and that is to go to YouTube. Now on YouTube, you can find videos about any and everything. So all you need to search for is keyword research. So as you can see that these are really big channels, 217,000 subscribers, 860,000 subscribers, 222,000 subscribers. So I'll go ahead and open this video in another tab. And then as you can see that this video has 409 comments. And this is keyword research tutorial, start to finish. So anybody that came to watch this video is definitely interested in keyword research. So what you need to do is you go over to the comment section and then you type something along the lines of, hey, check out this really amazing SEO tool. And then you drop this link, drop it in the comment section. Now, usually if you drop a link in somebody's comment section, YouTube is going to flag the comment and the comment is not even going to show in the first place. So one of the things you can do is to head over to Google Docs, paste your affiliate link right here, and then put brackets around every single digit If you do it this way, YouTube is not going to pick it up and your comment is going to show. Now, anybody that picks this is just going to pick it, go ahead and remove the bracket. You may decide not to put a lot of brackets so it will be easier for the person to get your affiliate link. So those are the two bonuses. One is to head over to Fiverr, have a gig, and then recommend the tool to your clients. And then the second step is to go over to YouTube and find channels that talk about SEO and then drop your links in the description box below. Once again, let me just go over the steps. First step is to get your Mongoose tool referral link. Go ahead to Google, find businesses that need to increase their rankings by SEO. Go ahead and cold email those businesses and then encourage them to use the tool. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, subscribe so you don't miss future amazing content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.